Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to take a look into the types of resistors. Basically the resistors are classified into fixed resistors, variable resistors, special resistors. In the previous video we just learned resistor is a component which is useful for including a particular value of resistance in a circuit. So the resistor that we discussed in the previous video is a fixed resistor whose resistance value is fixed to a particular ohms. So this is called a fixed resistor. Variable resistor is also a resistor whose resistance value can be varied by changing the position of its movable terminal. The movable terminal can be adjusted either in a rotary or in a linear motion. The types of variable resistors are potentiometer and rheostat. In potentiometer, we have three terminals. First and second are N terminals. Third terminal is a movable terminal. The position of third terminal defines the resistance value of a potentiometer. Mostly it is used to control voltages in the circuit. On the other hand, rheostat has two terminals. Terminal 1 is a fixed terminal. Terminal 2 is movable terminal by itself. By changing the movable terminal, the resistance value can be varied, majorly used in current control applications. Let us take a practical potentiometer. This is a potentiometer rated at 10 kilo ohms. So to achieve the maximum resistance value, I have to place the movable terminal of the potentiometer at one end. If I move the movable terminal to the other extreme end, the resistance value will be 0. So in this potentiometer, movable terminal moves in a rotary manner. And coming to the special resistors are also called as a variable resistors whose resistance value depends on various other external parameters like light, temperature, voltage, etc. For example, you can take a light dependent resistor or LDR whose resistance value changes along with the intensity of light falling on that material. Thermistor is also a variable resistor whose resistance value is influenced by the temperature of the thermistor. Varistor is also a variable resistor whose resistance value changes by amount of potential difference between this particular component. So these are special resistors. I hope in this video you understood what are types of resistors, fixed resistors, variable resistors, and special resistors, etc. I hope you learned something new in this particular video. For more videos like this, like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.